how to rope. Rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Tell him see the rope and I said that's dope. Rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Rope. Let me teach you how to rope.
And that was our intro video, Rope by Ching Ching. Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana, and as usual, for the next half an hour, we're bringing you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. This week, we're on Belmont Road, New Kingston. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Despite rainy conditions, the 8th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival was a success. The Pree Dis team was there on location in New York. Let's check out the highlights.
Patrons with huge appetites for jerk dishes and entertainment paid very little attention to the intermittent showers that hung over the Roy Wilkins Park in New York recently. It was the 8th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, and patrons had one thing on their mind: a day of fun and frolic. There was something for everyone. The kids enjoyed rides and bounce-abouts among other attractions, while parents enjoyed a feast of entertainment and other delights. On the main stage, there were some fine performances, and among them were hood celebrity Lust, Jamil and Elephant Man, whose performance continued despite a heavy downpour of rain.
I feel like raising up my hands, oh yes. I feel like standing. Cause we refuse to be who they want us to be. Cause we are who we are, honorable and
you only see the on Thursday, the day before Friday. I look at
The afternoon heat saw patrons cooling themselves down with coconut water, pineapple juice, snow cones, and icy treats among other delicacies. But it was the jerk vendors who did brisk business with a huge, large offering of dishes, including fried fish, stewed chicken, jerk chicken, roast yam, and shrimp, among other delicacies. Patrons filled up their stomach, unable to resist the tempting aroma that clenched the atmosphere. Aside from food vendors, there was a farmer's market which offered ground provisions, art and craft stalls, and clothing booths. Rochelle Boone from New York's NY1 TV won the Celebrity Quickfire Challenge.
Put it some more. So, alright. I'm gonna tell the winner to keep them on. No, that's what I do. So, the winner for 2018, the Great Jamaica Jerk Festival Celebrity Quickfire Challenge is... Miss Rochelle.
I am Rochelle Boone from Spectrum News, New York 1, and I'm this year's winner of the Celebrity Quickfire Challenge. And I cooked a jerk salmon dish with spicy vegetables with a little bit of coconut milk on it, my little specialty. And I ended up winning. I went up against our meteorologist here at New York 1 as well. It was a fun competition. It's hard to beat somebody that you're friends with, but I always like for win. And this festival is great. I come here every year with my family, so it wasn't a stretch to be part of the competition. I was surprised when they asked me to be a part of it, because usually, you know, we just kind of come and cover it for the station. So it was fun. I was born and raised in Jamaica from Kingston. I know everybody said I'm come from town, but I actually come from town. went to Holy Childhood in Halfway Tree. So it was kind of nice to bump into friends here, old friends, family members that I haven't seen in a long time. And it was good. It was a lot of fun. It's always fun when you're a winner.
And meanwhile, Chef Jicha was the winner of the Celebrity Chef Throwdown.
I don't know much about Jamaican cuisine because I'm Korean.
Okay.
And so therefore my friends just told me just do G and throw some jerk seasoning in it.
Okay.
So because of the mystery basket having baby food in it, I thought maybe the movie Ratatouille.
Okay, yes.
Okay, so I made a dish with a bunch of vegetables and the baby food with the kidneys seared off with the jerk seasoning as well, and I called it Jammin' Tui. First time I've been here, and thank you so much for having me. I've had a great time so far. Met new chefs, met new friends.
And patrons shared their thoughts about the event.
My experience today has been amazing. I mean, the food, the weather is amazing. The energy from the crowd was amazing during my performance. I just had an amazing time. This is history. And did you guys know that this is the first Grace Jerk Festival that they have African Afrobeats represented, me and Pato King. So this is a legendary day, and I'm just so happy to be a part of this.
This is my third year at the Jerk Festival, and I'm telling you, it is turned up. Right now, so many people are having so much fun, and I'm going back over there to having fun and dancing. It's just been it's more energy, more love, and this is what we need. People coming together and just having a whole lot of fun.
It's the first time? No, not the first time. I just did the one in Florida, and this is the second one for me now. Yeah, so yeah, the experience is awesome. I love the big audience and the vibe and the energy of the Caribbean people, you know.
Man, good performance, good audience, well receptive. Love it.
What's the environment like for you?
Oh, great. You know, I love food, you know, but I love people more. So it's all great. You know, it's a cultural event. So you know, this people from all over the world. You know, Caribbean people. You know, people from all over.
The rain, it was good. It was good. Walking trophy, it was celebrity. I liked it. It was good. Great. So wonderful turnout. Great food. Artists are wonderful. So I'm going to go there and enjoy myself.
Where come from, Queens or Brooklyn?
Queens.
And that's our look at the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in New York for 2018.
After all that jerk at the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in New York, now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the Talent on the Rise segment and the music video premiere of the week. We'll be right back.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know I give a Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.